Streamline your client onboarding by seamlessly integrating Docusign and Stripe to collect payments and finalize agreements in one fluid process. This tutorial will guide you through linking your Docusign and Stripe accounts to create a professional and efficient client onboarding system. First, log in to your Docusign account and navigate to your account settings or administrative panel. Look for an option related to connections, integrations, or app marketplace. This is where you'll find available integrations. Within the integrations section, locate and click on the Stripe integration. You should see an option to connect or enable Stripe. Click this button to initiate the connection process. You will then be redirected to Stripe's platform. Log into your Stripe account using your usual credentials. Stripe will then present you with an authorization screen, asking for permission to allow Docusign access to specific information needed for integration. Carefully review the permissions requested by Docusign, and if you agree, click Grant Access, or the equivalent button. This confirms the secure connection between your two platforms. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Docusign. You should now see the Stripe integration listed as connected or active within your Docusign integration settings. This confirms the successful linking of your accounts. Now, when you send out agreements through Docusign, you can embed a payment request directly when your client reviews and signs the document. They will be automatically prompted to complete their payment through Stripe, all within the same workflow. This integration ensures a smooth and professional experience for your new clients. From agreement signing to payment collection, welcome them with unparalleled efficiency and a great first impression.